Kablepi baro syakatup Khuborjylla ke Donbosco Media Network. Cimat ki bakongsan mentara sini Shillong. Yaki kinong treban bandawa syuti hagisi sajan. Jong dorbar mang tengka ke Meghalaya hagakadrio hado arpunyo rempang. Yo office bapura ke Pahambir 10 Village Organization. Pat mentai ni apai syaki Khubor ki bakambania. Ki sinjuk kinong tre bank United Forum of Banks Unions kila penlong ya kajingnya ki basisngi bandawa syuti habaro kisngi sajan daga pasangnya tre bat khang ya ki bank habaro kawe kari India kinong tre bank ha Meghalaya ru kila ya sno oktilang ban penlong ya kajingnya ki haka arpuh nyo tarik Kyllalyngkot hajar arpuh riu daga basyong kelan mongor hakmat office jong ke SBI main branch bandawa na kasorkar India ban ai syuti habaro kisngi sajan. Habayakran Shakilat Pathai Khubor u convener jangka United Forum of Banks Unions Meghalaya State Unit ba W Mauro ulaong. Kani kajingnya ki kade kajingdawa kaban nadu usnam hajar khatsan nakasorkar India ban ai syutino yakinong tray bank hakismi sajan. Henry kani kajingdawa kampat urlong hadu mentah. Kani kajingle menti juga sorkar India halor kani kajingdawa kala penlong yakinong tray bank ban mi syakmat ban yai beteng kajingdawa hadu banda urlong lengba kijingye ki man kapor.
Mengade wan rap lang moro buat ya kakadan convener jongka United Forum Bank Unions jongka Meghalaya State. Te kumolong last time kona ke press conference kita lihat mengkani te hadin jaka tu ke press conference kadang ke meeting apa association meeting apa view sesiapa central bodies cuma ngene strike bakaya namanya chakmat jika ni samdan ka jing ya sto jemut makayu tengi ya chakmat cuma ngene ngene strike ka ningkong ka jan na ningkong de pangi dawa ya kata san scheme intre bagi sajan baru khot nginyo cuti no om tangki second baka fourth
Batnu kita jikar jupi bakanya
kata kadibat ka jangka central government jikisha kumulaikan last time ka proposal kada ha nakaliang jok IBA ban recommend ya kani kajing dawa jangi mental abun bun sem la arts nem de ki penjelan te ni ban seng ya phot ya kani strike hot ni thut pai ba kamba our fight is not against them and then namta ka kya phot jangi hot inong pripang namar ngi dawa ka hot
ya strike ini kita ngi issue ya ki
mentai kan dia strict issue di tangga 5 days banking. Lagi pun ke issue jungi, dari nomor nalor jang kata badi sanksi ni do not like trade. Shortage of staff is a very important issue jungi. Nomor kata. Katnami kisnem idang duna ki staff jungi. Wala kata ru ni panso ka 5 days ru ni mio ya kata. Those two issues are underlying idang bun katnya kan chwang kata. Mat do amat mata ya kan ni strike pan India dari 5 days banking.
Betul kan ni strike di kanong tang kuwa sisi mentasi. Sebut pada kau blok lihat
that ya kata again I think after this strike ka insa syakhat biang kejingkan jadi leaders jangi siapa central body sitai then ngisi Khubor dan kumta terter ngisa pentip ya yak pa bagi press tunjuk
maka ada tingkah
oh in patio as of now nothing patio information na government kata di request yang kita man call of the kata ya strike it will be done tapi this time yung no unless any concrete any concrete information na yang kasorkar then we will think about it otherwise nanti kami ya kata
kadang di jing kira mentang ko Jylla patong kita ke jing dibai to bila pan batai biya kita ke jing dibai ting ki kinong train ne patnu
divide jangkai
wai dei di kita ke jing pia long ke long pemlong klik jok kinong train
kata ketika mindset jong government ban pihak yang kita there's no such thing as that we are united that's ni kita beri pon kumno we are united socially we are united individually ngiwan kada kambet ngiwan kemensiam ngiwan apa ki social media ngiwan there's no such thing
Kasorkar Meghalaya kelarai ban sedang ya kedor bar mang tengka nadu khatnriu hadu arpunyo tarik rempang mentah usnan halor kani ke jingtmu ke Business Advisory Committee BAC jong yeng dor bar thawan ke Jylla kalaya kendu ha ka arpunyo tarik Kyllalyngkot ban ra ya kimat jingatai agenda ha kani ke sin shong dor bar ya ka BAC la penya da usong konor ke yeng dor bar thawan Thomas A Samla Hagaba ki dekhot ki bakentop yau ba Preston Tensong sembut Menteri Rangba Dr. Mukul Sangma nongalam liang persha ba Paul Lingdo ba Cyril V.D. Dingdo Commissioner and Secretary Parliamentary Affairs Dr. Andrew Simons Commissioner and Secretary Assembly Bad Malthus S. Sangma Secretary Kyllalyngkot lang Thomas Sangma ulayatho hakani ka sen shong dorbar lamun Jylla ban mang nyosngi ki jingetai kenlong nakaliang ka sarkar government business but lies ngi labha nakabanta ki dekhot jong ka yeng dorbar thawan private members business ya kamang pisa jong ka Jylla enwanra haka arpho tarik rempang but en board sa ki jingetai da ki dekhot ka yeng dorbar thawan Thomas A. Sangma ulayatho Ladaki kam kidawa en penjelan ya kapor ya tainia katkum ki jingdon kam hadu lai baje janmit. Ulapan pau ke jing kermen bagi dekhot ki nation bentalang da ke jing shong shit banyak ran ya ki kam ki jam jang sarkar hakini ki nyosi.
Yes. Yes, we have conducted the meeting of the Business Advisory Committee to discuss about the coming budget session, and we have decided that budget session will be commencing from 16th February, which is Monday, and we'll have 10 working days, and which will end on 27th February 2026.
How many number of private members?
We have, I think, 3 private members business, and the rest are all government business.
When will be the budget presented?
The budget presentation will take place on 20th February 2026, which is Friday.
There are always concerns about the shortage of time. Always it comes up. So, are there any measures to ensure that?
Yes, we have extended early. That's why we are having 10 working days, out of which 7 days have been allotted for government business and 3 days for private members business. And we have also decided that we have mentioned here we will extend the time if required, and we have also made provisions like on the day which we will take up the voting on supplementary demands. We will go up to 3 p.m. in the evening, and if required, we will extend the time.
The conducting of the session is early this year.
Sorry?
Compared to previous years.
Yes.
The reason for the session.
No, we are not preponing.
Budget session.
Yeah, we are not preponing nor because we are having it because it is we have decided, and we were also advised by the government to start the budget session a little early. It could be one of the reasons, yes. Works have been completed. As you can see, so the people have, I mean, you can see from outside it is completed, but the interior works are still going on. And we have the interiors includes all those audiovisual lines and CCTV cameras. Everything are involved in it, so it takes time because it involves a lot of wiring and conduiting all those cables, so it takes time. I'm going to see today, so I will not be able to tell you now. So I'm going to visit later today in the later part of
The June deadline starts.
yes, we're trying our best to do it.
Coming to one.
And we are going to have a meeting very soon of the high powered committee there in the site itself.
One more issue about the status of the case. The election. Still in the High Court.
Yes, we have given our reply. So we are also waiting for the decision which will be given by the Honorable High Court.
You have no problem in explaining.
I'm very sorry.
Your plan is very clear.
Yes, yes, sir.
But legally,
Yes. We have done everything that to our understanding. We have done our.
Daka jinkmen kabakraw kakenhun kilong kumi nakaseng ya Trelang Village Organization kabakadub hendriutili ki self-help group joka Shillong Pahambir Them Riboy District haka arpo nyo tarik Kyllalyngkot kala pli pat ba ya ka office trekam bathamai kabalate itenat baha. Yakani ka office la pli pat ba da uba Middle Bonds MLA kum ukongsan haka jingdan lang uba Matthew Makdo nominated MDC ba B basayaw mod Gram Sevak Umling Block ba Sensi Lingdo na Raj Nolingdo ka Kong Virginia Maring President ya Trelang Village Organization uba Livingstone Makri rang ba Shnong Pahambir Them bat bongut kilong kumi longkpa nakani ka Shnong. Haka jingkran haka jingalang play. Uba Middle Bonds ulay yaro yakinong yalam jong kaya Trelang Village Organization kibala syakri na kabenta ka imlang kasalang. Ulay yaro ru yakidukot jong ki hendriyo tili ki self-help group kibala snok tilang da ka jinga tili ban kentiw iwe ya iwe klem da tenkan buj nibor.
Bara ka jingkran jong ki presiden ni jong pi kong Virginia ngisgutu bahagani ka Shillong kidon giriu posniu kiba perkhat am tagalawi ke bansawan ngam ong ba kilong din ki klemle ke kilale shibu ke kibla san kibla rang ba abang ikan mau ya kejinggal denti nadu bala thum ya ke SEG ke manusia haus nam arhajar kat pengujing itu ujung pi itu ginong yalam ki belano karta ki bedeng don hadu mentah kilai no senyang kiri orang ba apo ka Shillong kila no senyang kala bende nadu bala seng ya kene ka Shillong kala bende ginong seng ya ka balang kila bende gilong ying ki beper ki bala penlong ya kene ka Shillong kumni kum bagalam lalagi jong gijing no senyang gijong ying idon bat ni sokemen bahagane ka sengiru lemba de kisur kren jong kini ginong yalam gijong pi kadon gejing kermen bagadon gejing i jengai lengba jong gitu ki plan kiba hi pila pensengong ngisau kemen ban yo sengong ya katu gejing terang gejong pi ban yalam naga benta kene go biu ngisau thu gejing beki la arban lag lanta kala bende gejing haying hasem kala bende gejing duk gejing kerdu kala bende gejing pang gejing stom kala bende gejing bom yustu haying hasem hashtong hatau kindan ni gejing ki bagi mi gini gejing bom ya teli gejing bom sim khia gejing kain sting hagi babun gilian dewan apeng gini gejing ki babun ke snong gejong pi kala ya labun teli gisnem bat mendaga sengiru lembagi tu kimat kitong kibala debjer bene yangi ngi bagadon gejing kermen namar kata ka de sengi ko pipilipat ba ai ko office ke jong pi ban pen bahaya ke te ko office ke de ying ko bala don lupa man so ban repair ban pen bahaya nasgau ban shim ke de kabu ban ai ko beli kerpang ya gejing nut ke jong pi ya gejing la ke jong pi bat ko ta bat hagi jing persang ban kiu na kapor sya kapor kirang ba kemudian borom na sakmat kila ai na lagi jong gijing mut gijing keren haga bede ba gijing ngai binti omdon ka kam ka ba sup lane ka banginio ada ka ba sup kanu kuno ka kam gindon bet gijing ni haban nya ni haban trish to ni haban yaisha ni haban syakren ni syaban tiu ngimat gijing ki babun ngimlalat na kata omdon ngalong magalong kumnil bagi jing ki babun iba mathiu ilong kumni kumulong
Badai kitu ki Khubor ngilapoi syakabakut terhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.